4 weeks ago, my skin was dull, congested, and honestly, I was doing way too much to it. 10 products, 3 miracle serums, a new routine every single week. So I threw it all out and rebuilt everything around just 4 steps. 4 weeks later, my skin looked like a different version of itself. Not a filter, not a miracle product, just 4 steps done properly for one full skin cycle. In this video, I'll show you exactly what those 4 steps are, what changed in each of the 4 weeks, and honestly, what 4 weeks still can't fix. No fake before and afters, just what actually worked. And stick around till the end because the single change that made the biggest difference for me wasn't a product at all. Skin secret number 1, 4 weeks actually matters. Your skin renews itself roughly every 28 days, about 4 weeks. Old cells rise to the surface and shed, and fresh ones grow in behind them. That's exactly why nothing shows real results in a few days. You're still looking at old skin. Give it one full cycle, and for the first time, you're seeing skin that grew in while you were finally taking care of it. 4 weeks isn't random. It's the first checkpoint that actually means something. Skin secret number 2, do less. The only 4 steps you need. Here's the entire routine. 4 steps. Everyone has a job, and that's the whole point. I removed everything that didn't. Step 1, cleanse gently, morning and night with a gentle cleanser. And don't stress about the brand. Choose your cleanser on 3 simple things. First, fragrance-free. Fragrance is one of the most common causes of irritation and reactions in skincare, so there's no reason to risk it on something you're rinsing off anyway. Second, gentle enough that your skin never feels tight after washing. That tight, squeaky feeling isn't clean. It means you've stripped away oils your skin needed, and that's what damages your barrier. Third, non-comedogenic, a word that just means it won't clog your pores, especially important if you deal with congestion or breakouts. Get those 3 right, and almost any cleanser will do. At night, this step matters most. You're clearing off sunscreen, oil, and pollution, so everything after it can actually work. Step 2, treat with 1 active. This is your only powerful step, and the biggest mistake is stacking 5 of them. Pick one, based on your main concern. Blackheads or congestion, salicylic acid, dullness, texture, or fine lines, a low-strength retinol. Use it at night, start slow, 2 or 3 nights a week, and build up. 1 active used consistently beats 4 used recklessly. Every time. 1 important caution. Don't start 2 actives at the same time. If your skin reacts, you won't know which one caused it. And if your skin is very sensitive or you're pregnant, some actives like retinol aren't suitable. So when in doubt, check first or just stick to the gentle basics for now. There's no rush. Step 3, moisturize. Every skin type, including oily, moisturizer keeps your barrier strong, the layer that holds water in and keeps irritation out. And here's the part oily skin needs to hear. When your skin is properly hydrated, it calms down and actually produces less oil. Skip this, and your active just irritates you. Same rule here. Don't chase a brand, choose it on 3 things. First, fragrance-free, for the exact same reason as your cleanser. Fragrance is a top cause of irritation, and this one stays on your skin all day. Second, match the texture to your skin. Oily or acne-prone skin does best with a light gel or lotion. Dry skin wants a richer cream. And if you're a combination, oily in the T-zone, drier on the cheeks, which most of us are, don't overthink it. Either use 1 lightweight moisturizer all over or go a little richer just on the dry patches. You don't need 2 separate routines for 1 face. Same job, different weight. Third, look for barrier-supporting ingredients, words like ceramides, glycerin, or hyaluronic acid on the label. Those are the ingredients that actually repair and hold moisture, instead of just sitting on top. Step 4, protect with sunscreen. Every morning, no exceptions. Sunscreen is the single most proven anti-aging, anti-dark spot, anti-dullness product that exists. The honest truth. Without it, every other step is like cleaning a window and then leaving it out in a storm. This 1 step protects all the progress the other 3 make. And just like the cleanser, forget the brand. Pick your sunscreen on 3 things. First, broad spectrum. That single term means it protects against both UVA and UVB. UVA is the aging and dark spot rays. UVB is the burning rays. If it just says SPF without broad spectrum, it's not enough. Second, SPF 30 or higher. SPF 30 already blocks around 97% of UVB, so that's your daily minimum. Third, and this is the one people ignore, a texture you'll actually wear every single day. Oily skin, go for a matte or gel finish. Dry skin, a hydrating, milky one. And one thing almost everyone gets wrong, the amount. Most people use a fraction of what they need. Aim for about 2 fingers length of product for your face and neck. Anything less, and you're not getting the protection on the label. And if you're out in the sun for hours, reapply. Sunscreen isn't a put it on once in the morning and forget it kind of step. So here's how they split across your day. Morning is cleanse, moisturize, protect. Night is cleanse, treat, moisturize. That's it. That's the whole 4 weeks. And I know what you're thinking. What about toners, essences, eye creams, all the extra steps? You don't need them to transform your skin. Get these 4 solid and consistent first. Once they're working, you can add one thing at a time if you want to, but most people never need to. Skin secret number 3, what actually changes? Week by week. Now the part I actually promised you. What happened? Week 1. Honestly, not much to look at, and that's normal. If you started inactive, a few small spots can surface as existing congestion comes up faster. In your usual breakout areas, that's purging, and it passes. What you will feel is less tightness because your skin finally isn't being stripped. Week 2. Skin starts feeling hydrated and comfortable. Midday oiliness drops for a lot of people because balanced skin stops overproducing. Week 3. Texture smooths out. That rough, bumpy feeling softens and makeup starts sitting better. Week 4. The glow. Skin looks fresher, more even, and those early breakouts begin clearing. This is the, it's actually working week. Notice the pattern. Nothing overnight. Small, steady, real. Skin secret number 4. What 4 weeks won't fix, and that's okay. I promised honesty, so here it is. 4 weeks is enough for hydration, glow, oil balance, and early texture. It is not enough for deep or cystic acne, old acne scars, or stubborn pigmentation and melasma. Those sit deeper in the skin and need 8 to 12 weeks of consistency, sometimes longer, and sometimes a dermatologist. Most people quit around day 20 thinking it failed when their skin is exactly on schedule. If your dark spots aren't gone in a month, you're not failing. You're just not finished. Skin secret number 5. The secret that isn't a product. So, did I transform my skin in 4 weeks? Yes. But not the way the internet sells it. It wasn't a 10th product. It was 4 steps, done consistently for 1 full skin cycle. While I finally stopped fighting my skin, if there's one thing to take away, stop chasing a new routine every week. Pick 4 steps, commit for 4 weeks, and let your skin actually catch up. If this cleared up even one thing for you, tapping like is what nudges YouTube to put honest skincare in front of the next woman who keeps getting sold hype instead of help. And if you'd rather understand your skin than keep buying products you don't need, that's the whole reason this channel exists. 1 ingredient, 1 myth at a time. So, stick around. Subscribing just means the next one finds you. Before you go,